why y'all clicked on this video. Y'all want to make, y'all know, what? Okay, we're gonna restart. Okay, hey y'all, it's me, Sarah. If y'all don't know who I am, I'm the owner of Speaking of Bangles. Nice to meet y'all. I know the reason why you clicked on this video. You want to know how to make sales, right? Right. So I'm gonna show you guys, or tell you guys, actually not show you guys, but I'm gonna tell you guys how to make sales. And currently right now I am making sales right now as we speak. So you guys, 5 key tips on how to make sales, and then if you guys want the rest of the tips, you're gonna have to purchase from my ebook. I do have an ebook linked in the bio on how to make sales, and I make sales basically every day. Every single day is guaranteed. These tips are guaranteed you 1 sale a day. Like the goal is to make as many sales as possible, but you at least want 1 sale a day. 1 day, every day, a sale. You never know, that sale could be $5. You better be thankful, you better be blessed, cause it's still cash money. You get what I'm saying? So there is in total of 8 different tips. It's not really tips, but it's like chapters. But I'm just gonna tell you guys 5 tips out of the 8 chapters. So yeah, and it's not really long, so you don't gotta be bored. Step is gaining an audience. You want to be able to have I'm not saying followers matter, because it don't. You could have like 100 sales and have like 50 followers, but it do matter to gain the audience. You want to have engagement. Followers do not matter. I don't care if I have 50 followers on TikTok, but if my engagement is like 1 million views, or 10K views every time I post, or 1K views every time I post, it's like I'm guaranteed a sale. You get what I'm saying? So followers do not matter, y'all. And another thing, I did talk about like how followers don't matter in my other books as well, because they really don't. Because when I had like only 100 followers, I already made my first 100 sales. So yeah, followers do not matter. It's about gaining the audience that you want. You have the audience, it's like you're gaining the potential of making a sale. Because imagine, let's say you made a viral TikTok video, and that viral TikTok video got you 10 sales. You get what I'm saying? So it really does not matter about followers. I'm just telling y'all right now, followers do not matter at all. I want y'all to drill that to your head, because literally you can even, there's literally an article about an influencer. She started a clothing brand, and I think her t-shirts was like $50, and she made 0 sales, and she's very famous and well known. That's like the crazy part. So it doesn't really matter about followers. It don't. You just need the target audience. You need the audience in general. And my target audience is basically women under the age of 24, but it's mainly high schoolers and middle schoolers. That's my target audience. So I can go into depth like another time, but I'm just telling y'all this right now. So yeah. Number 2, tip number 2, make sure you have things stocked often. It's very important. Imagine you make a post about, like, let's say I post about my basic bangles, right? So if y'all don't know, I do sell basic and designer bangles on my site. So let's say I post about basic bangles or designer bangles, and then the post goes viral on Instagram or TikTok, it don't matter. The post go viral, and then I only have 10 bangles in stock. That's very disappointing, because it's like, imagine you made 1 million views that day, and literally you have like maybe 5 people ordered, and you got no more. Now everyone that's on your site, it could have been 50 visitors that day on your site, and no one bought because it's out of stock. You get what I'm saying? Like, you always gotta get something in stock. Always have to have something in stock. Do not, you gotta make sure. It's just like you go into the store, you go to Walmart for a gallon of milk, and they don't have no milk. Like, you're gonna be disappointed. So make sure you got everything in stock, baby. Make sure you get everything in stock, because you want to be on that. You want to be on your stocking game. It's very hard when you start picking up the pace on orders and stuff, but in the future or right now, make sure you have things in stock. Just make sure. Promote your business. Promote your business. Show up for your business every day. Show up for your business literally every single day. Every single day, you're gonna go on TikTok live. You're gonna go post every single day. Post every single day. When I say post every single day, post every single day religiously. It's okay to take breaks from time to time, but don't step away from your phone or laptop or iPad, because you have to show up. It's like showing up for work. You gotta show up every single day. You gotta post religiously. You gotta do a lot. I post a lot on my Instagram story, and I make like one post on my Instagram page, and then I make a reel, and then I post on TikTok. I typically make the post on TikTok and then transfer over to Instagram and just post the same thing. So one of them is bound to go viral. There are times I make a TikTok video, it don't go viral, but when I post it on Instagram, it does. So, but promoting is key. You can even promote, I don't do this, but I think I did it at first for like maybe a week. It did work. I had like one sale from this. But if you go into like, you text your followers, or if you do have followers, you text them, hey, I see you like bracelets, I see you followed me, here's a 10% off discount code, or whatever, whatever discount amount you want to give them. It do work, because I did try it at first, like when I first started, but you don't want to be annoying. So, or you could just do the quiet route. I do the quiet route and just post every day and then hope for the best. You get what I'm saying? Like, literally. So, another tip is to post a random discount code. Like, it could be like, one time I posted like a random discount code on a Sunday. I made like maybe 3 sales from that code, but then I also made other sales from people not even using the discount code. But it do work. It do work. I did like a Sunday discount code. I said, use discount code Sunday for 20% off or 25% off. It gave me a couple sales, but then I also do like maybe TikTok lives or posts on my Instagram pages and stuff, and I gain sales from that as well. So it do work if you do post like a random discount code. But when you're first starting off, I really do recommend just posting religiously, but don't post too much to the point where you're annoying. Like, just post like 3 times a day and hope for the best, like I said. This is the last tip I'm giving y'all, because honestly, ooh, I'm sorry y'all, my Instagram blowing up. I just posted. Okay, anyway, the last thing you could do is sale. A sale in general, a good sale, like buy one get one, or free shipping. I have never done a free shipping sale, but one of these days I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it because I need to. A 10 for $12. I've done that like on a random day. Made a lot of money that day. Just did it on a random day. Like, literally, I just did like a 10 beaded bracelets for $12. Like, 10 beaded bracelets for $12. Made a lot of money. You could do 50% off. I typically do 50% off. Anything that will potentially give you profit, you want to go below the belt. But any type of sale I do, I make profit anyway. So I'm gonna do one last tip for y'all. Make sure you have a website. If you don't have a website, baby, go ahead and clock out for me. Go ahead and just end the business already. I'm playing. I'm joking. But you do need a website. You definitely need a website. No one does DMs. No one does no type of DMs to order. So I really do, because there's like a lot of scammers, y'all. I remember when I first got scammed from ordering like business supplies and stuff. But obviously I got the money back. But I'm a regular credit card, you gotta go on the site. But just so y'all know, make your own website. And y'all, the next video, hopefully I will have a video up on how to make your own website. It's not hard. It takes a lot of time. I remember when I first built my website, it took me about 2-3 hours, no breaks, because I was just like, I gotta make this website. So yeah. But I hope you guys loved this video and you guys took a lot of information in. It was kind of a little short, but I hope you guys really do succeed in your business. I do hope and pray, because I remember when I first started, didn't get that many orders. I at least got 1 order a week, so it was good. But any order is good, no matter what. If it's $6, $5, $10, it's money. It's still good. So you need to like, you better be grateful that you got an order, because baby, that's the reason you started. You had to start from the bottom. Now you're gonna rise. But yeah, I do recommend checking out our ebook. It's linked in the bio, and I'm putting tips and tricks from my ebook. Everything that's on the ebook I have done. Literally everything that I've done is on the ebook. If you are gonna purchase the ebook, I'm gonna put a discount code right here for the ebook, so you can have a percentage off on your first purchase of the ebook.